Hello everyone. Welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Supermicro computer stock price began to rebound after experiencing a 14% plunge last Wednesday. Price action on Thursday reversed a downward trend, going from down 3% to up 3%, with bulls taking over the second half of the session after heavy morning selling by shorts, with volume at 6 million shares and a turnover rate of 13% for the day. The stock continued to rise 2.7% on Friday, and the stock price returned to the starting point of Wednesday's plunge, with a trading volume of 5 million shares throughout the day and a turnover rate of 10%. So will Supermicro computer stock price continue to rise this week? Let's take a look at the stock's trading volume and price relationship in the last 3 trading days. We can see from the 10-minute chart that the trading volume of the 3 trading days was concentrated in the morning, and the selling intensity gradually weakened. The stock price dipped to $707 twice, but was quickly pulled back up, indicating that there is a strong takeover force here. However, late last Friday did not pull the price above the area of concentrated trading volume, and the power of the bulls was weakening in the afternoon. It may have been influenced by market sentiment, but there wasn't much short selling of the stock at the last minute. Let's take a look at the stock's capital flow in the last 5 trading days. On April 30th, the stock had a net capital outflow of $181 million. On the day of the plunge on May 1st, the net capital outflow was $63 million. However, the total net capital inflow in the next 2 trading days was $138 million. Considering that May 1st was the entry capital, it means that the capital after the plunge has returned again. Let's take a look at the position cost distribution of the stock. As of May 3rd, the position profit rate of Supermicro computer stock was 54%, and selling pressure was moderate. The stock has tested the $700 level twice recently, causing the cost of most positions to move rapidly downward. A large number of positions are concentrated at the position of $740, and there are not many positions above. If the stock continues to rise this week, positions above $782 will gradually reduce, and the increase in profit-taking at the bottom will bring great selling pressure. Then $783, as shown in the data, will be a great resistance position. Let's take a look at this industry sector. We saw that Supermicro computer peer stocks were doing well on Friday. Arista Networks rose 4.79%, Dell Technologies rose 1.39%, HP rose 0.86%, and Western Digital rose 1.76%. The biggest gainer was Arista Networks, which is scheduled to release its latest earnings report on Tuesday, May 7th. Analysts expect Arista to post double-digit growth in the first quarter. Supermicro computer shares appear to be lagging behind a bit based on recent price performance, and if the sector continues to rise on Monday, SMCI could see the biggest gains. But we also noticed that the stocks under this sector have also reached resistance positions. Once market sentiment turns negative, this sector may suffer from selling. So I think the upside potential for this sector is limited. Let's take a look at the broad market indexes. The 3 major indexes all opened more than 1% higher on Friday, but lacked momentum for gains. Prices fell sharply shortly after the opening. The Dow Jones has retraced to a minimum of 0.78%, and the S&P 500 has retraced to a minimum of 0.77%. By the close, the S&P 500 was up 1.26%, Dow Jones was up 1.18%, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 1.99%. I don't expect the broad market indexes to fall sharply immediately after hitting recent highs, as I don't see much money exiting the market. But it is also clear that the rise lacks momentum and investor confidence is lacking. Of course, this is also related to the fact that some companies' quarterly results did not meet expectations, causing their stock prices to plummet, and the recent news about interest rates from the Federal Reserve. A certain amount of profit has been accumulated at the recent market bottom, and there is still a risk of the market falling this week. The financial report announcements of major companies are coming to an end, and it is uncertain what catalysts will be available to stimulate the market. The market index may fluctuate within a small range. Supermicro computer stock price forecast. The stock may continue to rise for now, but I think the upside is limited. There is a strong resistance at the $873 area. The stock price may reach this level and retrace or trade sideways. We need to watch the price performance over the next 2 trading days, but we can look at $873 as a resistance level. That's it. This is my analysis. If you have different ideas, please leave a message below. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. See you in the next video.